Hello guys, get ready because in this video I will show you how to fix keep dropping calls in Infinix Hot 60. So watch this video carefully and follow every step as I'm showing in video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. First of all, reinsert your SIM card. After reinsert your SIM card, then open settings and click on my phone, and then click on check for updates. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.